welcome back. This is Crazy Reels from Amazon by Soumya Sanskriti. So guys, as you know, मैंने बहुत टाइम बाद डील्स पोस्ट किए हैं. इन बिटवीन मैंने पोस्ट कुछ डाली थी बट वीडियोस नहीं क्रिएट किए. बट हियर वी आर. मैंने बहुत सारे डील्स डाले हैं, बहुत सारे अलग अलग प्रोडक्ट्स के डील्स डाले हैं, कुछ न्यू प्रोडक्ट्स जो लॉन्च हुए हैं. एंड ऑफ कोर्स बहुत डिफरेंट प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल दी स्मार्ट वॉच, स्मार्टफोन, लैपटॉप्स, गेमिंग लैपटॉप्स, हैंड बैग्स, राइट. Musical instruments, walls, home items, right? Men's wallet, ways. There are many different things: backpack, mouses, chargers, laptops. So I think आपको बहुत नीचे तक बहुत अच्छे डील्स मिलेंगे, हेल्थ रिलेटेड, मैनी डिफरेंट थिंग्स. ऑफ कोर्स एज यू नो, कुछ डील्स सर्टेन टाइम के लिए होते हैं, कुछ लिमिटेड एडिशन डील्स होती हैं, कुछ डील्स लॉन्ग टर्म चलती हैं, कुछ पे प्राइसेस में चेंज. एंड येस ऑफ कोर्स, सपोज इस वेरिएंट, इस कलर पे जो डील है, इट माइट बी पॉसिबल कि वो दूसरे कलर या दूसरे वेरिएंट पे डील ना हो. देयर कैन बी अ प्राइस डिफरेंस और देयर कैन बी नो डील ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर वेरिएंट. So you may check different products. Okay, let's check any one of these. It might be possible, since ये मैंने कल पोस्ट किए थे, तो there might be a possible कि कुछ prices में change हुआ हो. So let's check. आप जैसे ही टैप करेंगे आप अमेज़न पे रीडायरेक्ट हो जाएंगे. ऑफ कोर्स, right, there's still 10% off on this product. There's still, the deal is on, right? And also you can check the details of the product here, down here, and the similar products or the other products which are recommended with this particular product. So here, and you can also compare the products. So the deal is same. There are so many deals which I have shared. You can scroll down and you can check, and of course I'll add the links so you can check it out. Okay, let's go up and check the other deals, right? Okay, let's check this. There's still 25% off on this product, and it will end in 5 days. As I said, certain deals are for a longer period, and you can check the different offers, of course the details, the similar products, and of course you can also check the rating and other information about the product. So the deal is same, right? Let's move ahead. अलग अलग ब्रांड्स में ऑफ कोर्स डील्स होते हैं. सो ओके, लेट्स चेक दिस वन. Right, there's 43% off on this product, and as I said, okay, there's no difference in the variants, in the color options. You save the same amount, and of course all the information, and of course you can also compare the products. There is one option here. You can also check the questions which people ask, and you can also check the reviews. So let's go back and check. Okay, the deal is same, right? And let's move ahead and go towards this is smartphone. Okay, this 12% off on this product. Let's check, is there a difference? Okay, as you can see, there's no difference in the color variants. It is same. You can check the information here, different products, similar products and accessories too. So let's check. The deal is same. Okay, you can also get discounts on fitness products. Let's check this one. Okay, this 25% off on this product. I've only posted this. There are more products which you can check out. Um, you can check these similar products and information, and of course what you can buy with that, the rating. So let's go back. Okay, so let's check this. Okay, this 29% off on this product offers information, details, similar products, features, compare the stars, right? Okay, so let's check. The deal is on. Right, similar way, there are many products of same group. So let's go to this. Okay, there's 40% off on this product. Something good for guitar fans. Okay, you save a good amount. As you can see, this deal will end today night. So no worries guys. Of course रोज कोई ना कोई deal आती है. You can check the information, you can compare the products and what you can buy with the product. So let's see, the deal is on. You can also check out the vault. There's 13% off on this product, and of course you can also check different products, what you can buy with it. Right, let's go back. So I think the deal is on. Yeah, these are the musical instruments which you can check out. Right, okay, let's check this one. Okay, there is some discount on this product, but okay, you save rupees 950 on this product, and also you can check different products, what you can buy with it. Right, different products from the same brand. Check this, it's a new launch. Do check crazy deals from Amazon. मैं टाइम टू टाइम कुछ न्यू लॉन्चेस भी इस पे पोस्ट करती हूँ. So you save rupees 2000 on this. Of course, the information, the details, similar products and accessories which you can buy from it, its features. You can also check the reviews and questions which people ask. Right. So let's see. The deal is on. So these were some deals which I have posted. So guys, if you're watching this video on YouTube, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel, and do tap on that bell icon so that you can get the notifications for the new videos. And of course, if you're watching this video on Facebook, please you can check the deals on in the post itself, and do share. And of course YouTube में मैं description में links दे दूँगी, so you can check there the products link deals. So I hope guys you're good, you're healthy, and of course if you're an adult and if you're under 18 also, sorry, if you have a weight gain also, you might have got the vaccine, and if not, please take it out as soon as possible. ऑफ कोर्स जो यंग अडल्ट हैं उनकी फर्स्ट वैक्सीन लगी है एंड सेकेंड वैक्सीन soon you will get it and you'll be fully vaccinated. So guys, still keep the sanitizer and mask with you. Mask is must. So I hope you keep yourself and your family healthy. Tatakale, toodles.